Welcome back. Benauli MLA Mickey Pacheco is gearing up for the upcoming assembly elections. Mickey, along with his partner Viola, distributed notebooks to children in Kortali and Sankwal. Apparently, Viola Pacheco is supposed to be contesting next elections from Kortali constituency.
As of now, it's my personal views, and I personally decided, and I personally going each and every constituency, all the 40 constituencies. I made almost 33 candidates ready, me as a Mickey. Okay, the things which is going to, if things going to settle nicely with me and party leader Sharad Pawarji, then only these are the candidates I'm going to recommend to my party. Things are not settled the way people want, people of Goa want. Yes, I have option. I do what I want.
The fever of election is soaring all around. Mickey Pacheco and his partner Viola, along with his supporters, are gathering support of the people. Mickey Charitable Trust distributed books to children in Sankwal and Kortali on Saturday.
शिक्षकांकडून कॉम्प्रोमाइज करू नका. भुरग्याचे एक शिकप म्हणजे व्हडली गिरेस्त आहे जिवितात.
Mickey also informed that he will field candidates in all 40 constituencies, and at the moment he has 33 candidates ready to contest the forthcoming election independently. He also said that the Congress government understands language only of agitation.
This government only understands agitation. After doing only agitation, this government takes decision. That means today you got to understand, in last 4 years' time, you see how many agitation took place, and after only agitation, the demands of the people fulfilled.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
And now news from sports. Vasco Sports Club have lost two of their best goal scorers of recent times, Coco Sakibo and Joy Ferrão, to Giants Dempo Sports Club. Coach Gavin Araujo feels that when the best club in the business makes an irresistible offer, you simply cannot ignore. Speaking to Prudent, Gavin also said he expects more players to leave Vasco soon.
Coco Sakibo and Joy Ferrão were responsible for nearly half the amount of goals that Vasco Sports Club have scored this season. Vasco narrowly missed out on promotion to the I-League. Vasco Sports Club coach Gavin Araujo gave more details.
I felt they've done a very good job. We almost lost both of them last year because when I joined as a head coach, I managed to convince Joy, because I'm very close to both of them. Generally, I'm very close to all my players. So I convinced him to choose choose Vasco above of Dempo just for one more year. And then I managed to convince him to stay on. I managed to get Coco around in August, September. So in that way, Vasco almost lost players, both of them last year, because they played very well in the I-League too. And this year, I think it was certain for them to leave. And both of them have been picked up by the best club in India right now. So I'm sure they will do their best over there also. And I don't think Vasco would have been able to hang on with them, because I'm sure what they've signed for is irresistible offers surely from them.
Okay. So you say financially they have got an irresistible offer and which Vasco could not match up to? Is it something like that?
I'm expecting it to be like that, because if Dempo's walked up to anybody, I don't think anybody would turn them down, because right now they are the best in business. Okay. It's not only Joy, Coco. I'm expecting more players to leave Vasco, because I'm hearing rumors, a lot of rumors about other players also. And we have an under-19 boy. I think, I'm not mistaken, he's signed for Churchill right now. It's not in papers. Who scored really wonderful goals from 40 yards against Sporting.
Vasco have an uphill task now to rebuild their side. Gavin's contract as head coach has expired with Vasco. But should he resign with Vasco, he will have the challenge to construct the Vasco side all over again. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Par.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.